The instruction used during my intervention time within my classroom is based on data from multiple forms of assessment.
Students are placed in small groups based on data during the response to intervention time. These groups will be flexible and fluid. Student placement within a group is based on overall progress and the analysis of individual objective mastery. You will notice that I am instructing a small group of students at my table. After analyzing benchmark data, it became evident that this group of students was in need of intervention for elapsed time. I designed a lesson that addressed the prerequisite skills necessary to successfully be able to problem-solve situations involving elapsed time. Typically, I will work with a small group of students for an average of 20 minutes. As I am working with this particular group, a second small group of students are independently strengthening their skills in understanding the concept of volume. Based on teacher observation data, this group of students have mastered volume using concrete models. During the assessment, they struggled transferring this knowledge into a pictorial, more abstract format. Acceleration can be addressed during response to intervention time within the classroom as well. The third group working in my classroom has successfully mastered current objectives and therefore they are working on advanced mathematics skills in preparation for future learning. It is important to understand that children have strengths and weaknesses in different concept areas. This allows them to possibly be in an intervention group for one concept and an acceleration group for a different concept. Data-driven decisions drive our instruction continually when planning for students. We have a dedicated 30-minute response to intervention time daily. We use multiple forms of data when making decisions about addressing students' strengths and weaknesses to form our groups and plan intervention prescriptively. Professional learning communities assist myself and my team in addressing all student needs, including academic and behavioral issues. We meet weekly for an hour to collaborate, analyze, and plan for student success. South Georgia's 4th grade team is departmentalized. Each teacher is responsible for instructing his or her own subject matter, yet we have a collective responsibility for student achievement. During our professional learning community time, we have a structured and specific procedure to address specific student needs, as well as group needs for the entire 4th grade class. As a team, we have designated specific days of each week dedicated to math and language arts intervention. We have paired intervention and acceleration during each response to intervention time. For example, when a small group of students is working on language arts intervention, the other two team teachers are providing acceleration opportunities for any student not in intervention at that time. Students placed in intervention groups are progress monitored for a minimum of 6 weeks. Students are aware of their language arts and mathematics response to intervention groups.